Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Waves theory and provide multiple scenarios a price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities, starting here on low time frame and on 4-hour time frame, starting again looking at the counts from around the 18th of June. The bear scenario I've shown you many times, having this as a WXY. The extensions are lining up very well here, so nothing really bad to say about this count, to be honest. The bullish count is saying that we have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, either into an A wave or wave 1, and then we would be looking for wave 2 or wave B. Why am I not preferring the wave 1 idea is because I don't see that as a possibility in Bitcoin, at least not most likely possibility. So that's why I'm thinking this as more of an A wave. Then yeah, that's basically it. Both of them are ending at here and then looking for some kind of downward movement that we've had right now. Now, we had two different ideas for this local time frame, so let's go through that one that actually got denied before. We were looking at this possibility as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5. I think it was ending at around here, and then we had a possible leading diagonal here. Now that is no longer possible because we took out the lows here, and also again the wave 4s here was very small in comparison, and the retracement values were really small comparing to the wave 3s here, so definitely not likely. I had already deleted that, looks like, so yeah, we're not going to be tracking that anymore as it is already invalidated, so doesn't really matter at all. Now the more likely scenario currently, or basically the only scenario I have here, is that we have this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and then looking for this last fifth. At the moment, again, we had this ABC coming back into this previous order block that we were looking at, 38.2 inside that order block. It went straight through it. However, it contained itself here in this order block. The previous wave 4 I had it labeled here. Not quite sure if that is the case or if I have some kind of mislabeled here, and this was going to be some kind of a wave 4 in here, and this indeed was going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and extended fifth here, and this was actually the previous 4. But in any case, it doesn't really matter the internal wave structures here, as this has already been played out. The complete or higher time frame idea is that we have a micro 4 here and then looking for downwards once more. Now, since the wave 4 happened, we are looking at this as a wave 1, 2, and then looking for wave 3. I've labeled wave 3 here as we had a low here on RSI, at least on 50 minutes in here, indicating some kind of wave 3 and then some kind of divergence between the fifth. So some kind of subwave structure here for sure. And then wave 3 here on 30 minutes we have that as the lowest RSI, so it makes somewhat sense to have it there as well. Now 1.618 was around these lows, however I don't think wave 3 should be here because the wave 4 here is so minimal that it doesn't really make sense to me having it there. Now wave 4 target would be around 1558, and that would be around the 38.2 retracement. Also that fits into this 1 hour order block that we would be looking at as well. We are looking at, there is not really anything else I have there other than just that fib and the order block, so that should, or that needs to be enough. If we are going to go above that and challenging this 0.5, then there's chances that this is already over, and wave 4 indeed was one of these very small structures here, but that is not my expectations. What else? Well, if we are looking at this as the possible wave 4 area, then we would be looking for one more down. Then we would look for that divergence between third and fifth, and having that divergence between price and RSI, looking at some targets like this 1-to-1 extension of this one wave pivoted from this 38.2. Again, this is the most expected value here, so that's why I'm using it, and that would be around $14.54 area to look for that pivot. Not much lower than this current low, but again definitely an area of interest. On higher time frame, one of the targets for that fifth wave of higher time frame, or this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, would be this 1.618 extension at 1442. So that is lining up very well with the 1-to-1 extension of this smaller time frame. What else we have there is a daily level right below this 1.618 around 1440, and naked point of control right above it 1457. So this is definitely an area of interest for me where I would be looking for long setups. Not really an order block here to be said. Of course, if you want to be saying that there is an order block here, 1 hour order blocks and even 4 hour order blocks, I feel like could be fit in there. Let's take a look. Yeah, both of these are fine, should be fine, and could be used as an order block here. I just don't have it drawn here, but yeah, definitely can be used as the support order block. But I think that is pretty much everything I have at the moment. Once we have pivoted down here, we could be looking for higher prices. 38.2 retracement of this move would be the minimum I would be looking at, so around 1660, and then either we're going to fall down or just look at, for example, this next target around $1840 area. Also the $1700 area would have a law of confluence or resistance at least. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.